Oh, hey everyone, it's Lauren with Millennium Sounds, and today we want to show you the Sonos Ace headphones. Let's check them out. The Ace is the newest release from Sonos, who says they are obsessively crafted and masterfully tuned, bringing you closer to the sounds that matter most. From first glance, the Sonos Ace looks similar in design to the Apple AirPod Max. However, they're much lighter and more comfy, in my opinion, due to the vegan leather padding and plush memory foam in the cushions and headband. The ear pads are also magnetic and easily removable, and the inside of each ear pad is a different color so you can tell which side is which. They have a battery life of up to 30 hours with active noise cancellation, and they are available in soft white or black like the ones we have here on display in our showroom. Sonos decided to go with all physical control, eliminating the tap gestures and sliding motions common in other similar products. The stainless steel rocker arm is called the content key. You can move it up or down to adjust the volume, push it in to play or pause, or hold it down to transfer TV audio from a Sonos soundbar to the headphones for private listening with spatial audio surround sound. Each cup's custom-designed 40mm dynamic driver delivers a balanced sound for impeccable precision. The headphones architecture enables superior bass for that richness and depth in your music and entertainment. Now, how do the Sonos Ace headphones sound? As we've tested the headphones around the showroom, we've been impressed with both the incredible sound quality as well as the adjustability of the sound profile through the Sonos app. A few of the key features that we didn't already highlight are the 8 microphones for noise control and voice targeting, dynamic head tracking, lossless and spatial audio on supported devices, and Dolby Atmos compatibility. Overall, these headphones sound amazing for both music listening on the go and home entertainment. You have to hear it to believe it. If you're located in Indianapolis, make sure you stop by our showroom for a demo on our Sonos display or give us a call to learn more. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you let us know what you think in the comments, and be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.